Alright guys, betting $22.50 a spin here at the Hard Rock Tampa. We grabbed the super wheel, that gold buzzsaw on our new favorite game here. Alright, let's see what we get. Come on, Super Mansion. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we got that upgrade. Yes. All right, guys, this is why we came here. Which one shall it be? Damn. I know.
That was too bad.
Not unhappy. Still great, still great, still great. All right, let's see what happens. Nice start. Nice. There is one brick mention. Let's get at least 5. Nice. There's 2. Still have 5 games left. Okay. There's 3. Beautiful. All right, there's our 5. So let's go for 7 now. There's 6. There's our 7. All right, can we do 8? All right, that's awesome. That is awesome. Already at $800. Very nice. $2,300. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. See everybody in a little bit. Bye-bye.